Hello guys, my name is Harshit Singhal and I'm happy to share that I have completed the task 1 of my web development and designing internship at Spark Foundation. This program is common at the GRIP July 2021. So this is my task, the basic banking system. In this task, I have to create a dynamic website with 10 customers and we have to also use the database. So let's see the code. So guys, as you see, this is the code of website, and I use the Django framework to make the website dynamic. This is the customer page. This is the transaction history page. It's a transfer page. Actually, guys, this is a lot of code, and you can check it out in my GitHub repo. You can get the whole code from my GitHub repo, and you can see there. So let's see the implementation, like how the website look. So guys, let's see. So guys, as you see that this Sparks Bank, this is my home page of my website. This are view customers, transfer money, transaction history. This are footer, the slider, and this website is also dynamic. And sorry, dynamic and also responsive. You can see that in mobile how the website look. You can see that. So let's see our customers. Like we can go from anywhere. So this is the list of customers like Piyush Kedia, Kshitij, Payal, Jatin, Shubham. These are the list of customers, and this is the email, and this is the current balance that is present in their account. So let's see how the money is transferred. So we gone on a page of transfer money, and let's see the name, email ID, current balance, and this operation that we transfer the money from one customer to the another customer account. Let's see. Like I am transfer the money from Jatin account. Like Jatin has current balance of 84,000. See, like yeah, here we see the details of Jatin, that 84,000 is present. Let's see Jatin's transfer money to Ayushi. Yeah, let's see Jatin transfer the money of 3,000. Transfer. Hey guys, as you see, that Jatin transfer Ayushi money, 3,000 rupees at 7:29 p.m. at 19 July. So as you see, the money is transfer. Let's see the money is deducted or not. So as I say, Jatin account has 84,000, 84,000, then 81,000. So money is deducted, and the Ayushi had the increment of 3,000 rupees. So let's see the other condition of our website. Like if like Piyush transfer the money, like Piyush transfer the money to itself, then what happen? Let's see. So guys, as you see that we get an error, self transaction is not allowed. Please select another customer. Let's select another customer like Payal, like Shivam Mishra. Like we see that this amount of 622, like transfer the 622, like 8,622. Let's transfer the money. As you see guys, the amount is transferred from Piyush Kedia account to Shivam Mishra, 8,000 at 7:30 p.m. So guys, this is the whole working of my website, and this another case that like if I transfer the money like to Piyush Kedia, like I've transferred only 50 rupees, then it says that value must be greater than 100. Like if you want to transfer the money from one account to another, the value must be, the amount must be greater than 100. And let's see the another condition that Harshit have an amount of 92,655. If Harshit transfer the money 92,670, let's see what happened. Hey guys, that you see that we get an error. Like you are the exceed the maximum transaction limit set by a bank. So guys, this is the whole website working. You can see, like, you can transfer from any one account. Here you can get the data of customers. It's a transfer money table. So guys, thank you so much. So guys, this is from my side. And if you want to see the code, then you can check my GitHub repo. As you see, the whole code is present. So as you see, so thank you guys.